In this video, I will break down how I generated over $5,000 a month operating a home daycare business, and I will share how you can do this too. If you want to make money doing something you enjoy from the comfort of your home, then keep watching. Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Denise. Let's begin with these proven income strategies. These will help you, the home daycare provider, boost your profits while still providing high quality childcare. Let's start with strategy number one. Have you ever wondered how can you move your business from stable to thriving? If you have ever wondered, then the answer is right here. But you must diversify. To diversify your income as a home daycare provider, you must offer four powerful options. Option number one, offer enriched programs such as music, art, STEM, and a foreign language or computer skills as optional add-ons for additional fees. Option number two, provide structured learning or tutoring like early reading, math foundations, and kindergarten readiness programs that are highly valuable to parents. Option number three, provide before and after school care, care from 7 to 9 a.m. and from 3 to 6 p.m. This can significantly boost your monthly revenues without increasing your daytime ratios. And option number four, host a monthly parents' night out. How do you do this? Offer a Friday or Saturday evening care option at a premium rate. Always check your state's regulations, as night care may have different rules. Be sure to keep ratios safe and consider hiring a helper if needed. Create theme nights to make it exciting for children, so children will ask their parents to bring them. You can even offer a VIP registration option where priority booking is given to enrolled families first. This creates reoccurring, predictable income. Stay until the very end to download your free checklist and to join our email list and gather all the resources in this video. This brings us to strategy number two, maximize your enrollment. If you want to increase your income, you must operate at full strategic capacity. This means filling your spots the smart way. To do this, focus on three key areas. Key area number one, you must know your capacity. You should clearly understand your state licensing regulations. Ask yourself these questions. How many infants can I care for? What about toddlers, preschoolers, and school age children? What are you required as it relates to child caregiver ratio? Operating at full legal capacity is one of the fastest ways to increase your revenue, but it must be done safely and compliantly. How do you do this? You do this by understanding your state regulations on the number of children you can provide care for, which is imperative to meeting this goal. So, to do this, study your state laws, rules, and regulations where you reside. You can research by contacting your state regulatory agency, review the resources such as Child Care and Development Fund and the National Center on Early Childhood Quality Assurance. But be sure to stay tuned until the very end to get all the resources provided in this video. If you are enjoying what you're learning, like, subscribe, and comment below on what other content you wish to see in my next video. This brings us to the second key area, which is be strategic about mixed age groups. Consider the age group you accept and decide which age group of children you will provide care for. Understanding that not all enrolled combinations are equal. You might say, yeah, infants are great because infants typically bring in higher tuition, but they also require more time, more supplies, and a lower ratio. So ask yourself, is having multiple infants truly the most profitable and sustainable option for me? Sometimes a balanced mix of toddlers, preschoolers, and a few school age children creates a stronger cash flow with less physical and emotional strain. Remember, your goal is to reach over $5,000 per month, but never at the expense of children's safety your well-being, or unfairly overcharging families. So be smart. Remember, well thought out balance leads to sustainable profits. Next is key area number 3. Be flexible with your scheduling. Flexibility can significantly increase your monthly revenue. If one child attends from, let's say, 9:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m., those early mornings and late afternoon hours are still income opportunities. So, Denise, what do you mean? Well, you can fill those gaps with before school care, after school care, part-time enrollment, and drop-in care. You can even structure your slots so two families share one full-time space based on complementary schedules. This creates a win-win situation for families and for you. If you like more enrollment strategies, check out my video, Make Money and Keep Money. Be sure to stay until the very end to download your free checklist to our email list and gather all the resources in this video. Finally, this is our last strategy, strategy number 3. If your rates do not reflect your value, you will struggle to reach your income goal. So, how do you accomplish this? You will need to complete these 3 steps. Number 1, research your local rates. You must know your market. How do you do this? Call local providers, ask them, what are your rates for full time, part time? Do you offer sibling discounts? What do you charge for extended hours? What's included? Do you include meals? What type of curriculum are you using? Do you offer enriched programs? To research this information, you should also use trusted resources such as the National Database of Childcare Prices. This is one of the most comprehensive federal sources of childcare prices at the county, maintained by the U.S. Department of Labor's Women's Bureau. This database provides childcare price data by provider type, age of children, and county characteristics, covering counties all over most of the United States. It also allows you to compare costs for center-based and home-based care, see how prices vary by age group, and explore regional differences in childcare pricing, making it a powerful tool for understanding local childcare market rates. There's also childcare.gov. It is an official U.S. government website where you can find childcare and helpful resources. Some other resources are your local childcare awareness agency. You can contact these agencies, which provide detailed information regarding childcare rates in your area. Also, there's the resource and referral of your family daycare homes in your area. You can also review listings such as childcare.com, local childcare resources and referral agencies, and Facebook parent groups and Google listings. Be sure to compare rates by age group. Infants, toddlers, preschoolers, and school-age children are often priced differently. Gather their data, do not guess. Next is step 2, communicating your values. Parents are not just paying for supervision, they're paying for quality. So you need to ask yourself, do I provide meals? Do I have certifications such as my CDA or ECE training? Do I offer a structured curriculum? Do I incorporate STEM, early literacy, and enrichment programs? Is my space clean, organized, and professionally prepared? If you are delivering high quality care, you can confidently position yourself towards the higher end of your market range. Just make sure your pricing reflects what families are truly receiving. For more ideas, click on my video, Top 7 Ways to Make Money Owning a Home Daycare. Then there's step number 3, conduct regular rate reviews. As costs continuously increase, so will your expenses, and your rates should reflect that too. So, for example, how much is your food, your supplies, your insurance, your licensing, your utilities, and taxes? Make sure not to copy anyone's information. Instead, calculate your monthly expenses, then determine how much income you need to earn to be profitable and to reach your goal. Divide that by your license capacity and number of operating days. Finally, compare your results to your market research. That is how you price like a business owner, not by emotions, but by strategy. If you need help with this process, watch my video, How to Write a Business Plan. In summary, earning over $5,000 or more per month in your home take care business is absolutely achievable, but it requires strategic enrollment, intentional pricing, and diversified income streams. Work smarter, operate professionally, and serve families with excellence. This brings my video to an end. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and drop a comment. And if there's a topic you would like for me to cover in my next video, or just offer some suggestions. Remember to download your free checklist in the link below. In conclusion, be the person to make a difference. Open a home daycare and reap the many rewards. Until next time.